So we've got our supplies for the next move here on the boat. That's 2 sheets of 3/8" Coosa board, and underneath that is a sheet of 3/4 inch BCX for the inside cabin plywood. It needs to be replaced. It's a 16-foot 2x10, 16-foot 2x4 to replace 2 long runs of rotten lumber. We got some non-pressure treated stuff for temps and supports and things like that, so we can cut out significant framing without having the floor collapse on us. And the pressure treated 2x4s are going to go to repair various rotted and termite eaten decking lumber. So there you have it. I got to tell you, it is a lot of work getting this stuff down to the boat. Got to have friends with boats and things like that to make things happen. All right, so this is what we're looking at. It feels like 101. Tomorrow it'll feel like 107. Yesterday it felt like 108. It's terrible out here. I don't want any more. And guess what? The hurricane's coming through from the Gulf. It's going to fire it right up the Mississippi River Valley, and we've got rain for the next week. It's going to suck. As the sun goes down, strategy is formed. Hurricane's coming in. We got trouble coming up. We got problems, part 5. As you can see, the dock is devoid of power. I'm relegated to a single 110 line coming to the building, and I'm going to make that work to fix my boat. Put bug bulbs in your work lights so you don't get infested with mosquitoes, bugs, whatever. I want to go fishing. So I got the lip off all the way down, and that's not good right there. That's not good at all. Looks like somebody knew there was a problem starting. Put a little patch on it, little patch. But the patch is all that's left. So yeah, that's coming out. 1 minute there's a step there. Next minute, no step. And the deck underneath is soft, soft. It doesn't look like much of a hurricane, but we're kind of in between rain squalls right now. So I'm gonna take a little video. I'm gonna end this this particular episode here, and we'll pick it up again after the rain stops.